Hello, welcome to our lesson for today. It's all about one of the Philippines' common used language. It's the Bisaya. So let's learn from the basic first. Number one is I am. In Bisaya, that is ako. For example, we will use it in a sentence. It is called I am Jennifer. It means ako si Jennifer. That I am telling my name. I am. The next one is my name. So it's all about akong pangalan in Bisaya. My, ako, or akong, and name is pangalan. So let's use it in a sentence. It's my name is Jennifer. Yeah, that's right. So number 3 is from. So from in Bisaya is gikan. I am from the USA. So it is where I am from. For example, you're sending a letter. So it is from Joshua, just like that. Gikan kang Joshua. From gikan. Gikan. So next is where. In Bisaya, it is asa. Asa. Where. For example, you are asking someone like, where is the comfort room here? So, where is the comfort room here? It is asa ang banyo or CR dinhi. Where? Asta. Next is when. When is in Bisaya, it's kanusa. Kanusa. When. So, let's use it in a sentence. It's when. When. When is your birthday? Just like that. When is our date? It's when. Next is which. Which. It's in Bisaya, it's asana. It's at asaana. It's almost the same way with where, but it has a different meaning. It's which. Asaana. Which of that? Asaana. Asaani. Which of this? Which of this is asaani? And the next one is what? What? What is your name? So you'll ask person, what is your name? In Bisaya, what is unsa? Unsa. Unsa. Yes. And the last one is why. Why? Why in Bisaya it's ngano. Ngano. Why? Why did you leave me? Why did you left? Um, why are you like that? It's just the same. It's so we'll pronounce it. It's why. So in Bisaya, it's ngano. 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 That's it. So I hope you'll learn some Bisaya language for today. See you on my next video. You can comment on what Bisaya words we can make on our next video. Thank you.